We are a family-operated business, established back in 2005, the name JMC Pools, and we work all the way from Davie to Jupiter, so it's a big area, covering pretty much almost all Broward County and Palm Beach County. Each calls we receive, we schedule with the customer. We personally go to his address, and then we take all the measurements around the pool decking size, the pool tile. We give them ideas on what he can add to his pool. Maybe he wants to add a raised wall with a water feature, and all these kind of things, and we give you the ability of the customer of doing anything he wants. We do all this without sacrificing our personal commitment to each customer.
JMC Pools was our choice for our recent pool model. Their price was very competitive with all the other bids that we received, but it was the design, the professionalism, the service, and the fact that we dealt directly with the owner that helped our decision.
We are all about customer service. We receive a call, we call back, we make it happen.